Once upon a time in a quiet village hidden between green hills and muddy rivers, there lived a boy named Naveen. His house was made of clay bricks and a tin roof that shook every time the wind blew. There was no internet, no smart school, and no one in his family had ever been to college. His father worked hard in the fields and his mother sold vegetables at the weekly market. But Naveen was different. He didn't see his life as a burden. He saw it as a challenge, a reason to rise every night after helping his father in the fields and feeding their only cow. He would sit down under a weak kerosene lamp and study using borrowed textbooks. His favorite subject was science, not because it was easy, but because it helped him understand the world around him. Then one night during a heavy thunderstorm, something terrible happened. The roof of their little house fell in. His books were soaked, his notes were ruined. He cried silently, but when the sun came up, he didn't waste a second. He walked 8 kilometers to the next town, just to borrow the same books again, while many other kids gave up after school because of money problems. Naveen chose a different road. He began writing letters, not one or two, but dozens. He wrote to NGOs, scholarships, and even to authors and scientists. Most of them never replied, but one retired teacher saw his letter and felt something deep in his heart. He quietly decided to support Naveen's college education when Naveen moved to the city to attend university. Life didn't suddenly get easy. He had only 2 shirts for the whole semester. He ate meals from temple kitchens and worked part-time in a bookshop. He failed his English exams more than once, and people laughed at the way he spoke. They made fun of his simple ways, but Naveen never argued back. He listened, he learned, and he kept improving. And then one day he graduated, not just as a student, but as the top student in his class. He applied to more than 50 jobs and got rejected by 48. But instead of giving up, he used every rejection as a lesson. He sharpened his skills, and finally one company saw the fire in him and gave him a chance today. Naveen is not just an engineer. He is a mentor, a motivational speaker, and the founder of a tech startup that helps village children get the guidance and support he never had. He even returned to his village and started a free evening school for children just like him, kids with big dreams and little money. He once said, "Hard times are not meant to break you. They are meant to shape you." So friends, no matter where you come from, no matter how hard your life may be, remember this: your story's not over. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep dreaming big, because even the smallest flame can light up the darkest night. Don't forget to subscribe and join us again for another powerful story like this. Until then, stay strong, stay hopeful, and never stop believing in yourself.